Greetings everybody, it's Barry from H&W Machine Repair. We are here today because I get a lot of calls about a situation that comes up during a removal of a motor. Okay, what happens is if a motor wears too much and you go to put your screws up to tighten them through the holes, they don't line up. Well, that's because the keyway in the shaft is given out and everything is twisted. So today's video, I'm going to show you how we remove it and then get the disc off. Now this will be a two-person job when we're getting the disc off. So let's get at it. As you can see, I'm to the point where I've already removed my drum switch. I'm unhooked from the wiring. I've got my speed cranked all the way down, and then I attempted to take the screw, put the screws in to compress the spring, and it just didn't work. So from this point on, this will be what you're going to do. So we're going to treat it just like if the springs work. So take your bar or whatever you need to get in here, and first take your speed off. Crank your speed all the way up to the high end, so you're taking all the tension off of your chain. And then you're going to push it in. Again, you want to get all the tension off of the belt that you can. Okay, now take your 9/16 wrench. Take our motor loose. You can see this particular motor, this particular head has had quite the adventurous life. And we will be putting some great before and after photos of this one on. Of course, if you watch this 5 years from now, you won't see this. Now, we treat this just like you would. Obviously, if this is on your machine, you're going to be standing up there in a precarious position, just like I was Tuesday. And I had to do this exact same procedure on a machine on site. So, you will treat it the same way. Now, this motor weighs about 60 pounds with all the assemblies on it. So, if you're not as strong as the 64-year-old man I am, you may need some help. Okay. Tilt it back the same way, lift it up, and you're just going to rock it till it comes off of the belt, which this one came off pretty easy. So take your motor, you're going to come over to your bench or on the ground or wherever you need leverage, and we're going to have, okay, so this is where Heather's helping. Put your snap ring pliers in, push down. Take that off, take the pressure off, take your spring off, and there you go. We got it all off, two of us, but that is how you remove the motor disc assembly when you can't get the springs to line up. So thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icons if you want to see our notifications as soon as they come up. Have a great day.